are you guys doing today? We are here at 6110 Bueno Road, and this is a tour of our rental crib. So, when we turn it around here, that is the amazing first view we got coming in our amazing Camaros. Now come with me. To the left, we got some amazing, good-looking trees. You don't get that in PA. You really just don't. Then you have grass that is filled with sand to help it grow faster. You got some chickens to our left. I don't know if you can see that. Do you see it? There's a chicken. They're all over the place. Yeah, we got some palm trees. I guess we can take it to the beach first before we head on in. Got some more trees. It's another clean house. Yep, get in there. There goes the cardinal. Little path to the beach you got. About 10-20 feet out. Alright, now if we turn it around here, once you're done with the beach, you walk over here. Take a nice grass path. It feels good when the sand's all over your feet. You can see our balcony on top. There's a hose right there. These are two rental Camaros. One is a Camaro SS, the one you're looking at now. This one's just a regular Camaro. In that closet, the two-door closet, we have a bunch of beach things like chairs, tubes, shovels, toys, all that good stuff. We can't go in there. Here's another hose spout and a jolly old outdoor shower. Love to see it. Haven't used it yet, but you never know. Got a nice picnic table if you want to eat outside. You're sandy or something, you know. You don't want to go inside, it'll sand you up, so you know what I'm saying. The switches, don't know what they are. You're gonna head on inside. We have basically a full balcony around the entire house. Looks pretty cool. That door is the master bedroom. This way is the front door. Welcome in. Alright. So, you walk in, to our right, we have the kids' room. 3 beds, 1 bath.
Welcome to the crib. Oh,
They make
go
our way
subscribe to my channel.
You got the master bedroom. We're pleased to have this room. We got a massive, nice closet you can walk into. Lots of space. Come on, bring it in, bring it in. Don't be shy. You got it all, you really do. Alright, we got this nice bathroom with a great natural light. It's got a shower bath that it actually fits me. That's pretty cool. A nice toilet and that thing for your booty. All right, 2 water fountains. You got this cool area, which is the office. We have just not used this at all. As far as we know, electric in here doesn't work yet. House owner's fault, not ours. Sorry, Phil. Who needs an office in 2022? We have the great, wonderful Father Heltzel.
Aloha. I mean, Oahu.
Oahu.
Aloha.
Mahalo.
Have a great area with a bunch of clothes.
Yeah.
This bedroom with a great view and the Mother Heltzel. Nice closet.
Look at Kelsey. She looks like a professional.
It's not as big as master bedroom or bathroom, but
But
pretty
better
nice.
views.
Yeah, it's got the views.
And speaking of views, Kylie and I are gonna go work on math
Yep.
out by the ocean views.
Beautiful view. And she wakes up before the sun comes up, so that helps too. We got Courtney outside on the great balcony.
Daddy and I sit out there and have coffee.
We can come out here before we
Anybody's not
Yeah. Say hi, Courtney. Say hi. Alright. Just gonna show you this chair real quick. Goes all the way back, you'll enjoy the breeze. Yeah, it feels good. Alright, then we're gonna head to the
This
kitchen.
is my office.
There you
This
go,
is
Chelsea. Show us.
mine and Scott's office
Their office for the last 3-4 days.
with this view.
Yep. It's great. Alright. Back in, we got dining table and our entire food storage, kitchen. Stove doesn't work, but we got backup plans. Oven works, I think. Haven't been in here actually, but there's a washer and dryer. That's pretty cool. That. We got a mudroom to our left. It's got a bunch. It has. It's got some bug spray. We took the sunscreen, some good old aloe, and after sun gel, and then
Wait, don't forget.
a bunch of these for the hooks.
A must
Oh, turn it around.
put on the islands.
There you go. Some great coffee. Yeah, so basically, other than this cool apple plant that goes throughout the entire house, we basically covered it all, yeah. So that is our house tour of Kauai. Hawaii.